Guys, Queen Motivator here. As you know, on this channel, we do many things: cardio, workouts, motivation, and real life. So from now on, I'm also adding morning yoga, just 10 to 15 minutes every morning because someone commented this. So I have to make people happy in this channel. If you like yoga, come to this channel every morning. Nothing hard, just gently movement to wake up the body. You can join me. Move at your own pace and we grow together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the positive comment. Please don't be negative, just be positive because everyone starts somewhere to be somewhere. So, have a nice, wonderful day. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.